Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to model this amazing Kitbash piece as shown here. So let's get started. First things first, so let's add a circle to the scene. Shift A, I'm gonna be adding circle like this. Tap into edit mode, extrude it on the Z axis, just like this. So let's zoom in to take a closer look to our shape. Hit A to select everything, so let's scale it on the Z, scale it. So I want to scale it, hit S, then Shift Z, then drag cursor to the middle like this, and you can scale it. And constraint scaling process just to Z axis, just like this. Or you can go over here, click on this drop down menu to expand it, then go over here, click on the leftmost button, then drag over these two scaling axis X and Y, and just you can scale it just a tiny bit like this. And click on leftmost button to confirm the operation. Let's go over here to the top of this shape over here. So just hit A to scale it, click on leftmost button, scale it out just a tiny bit, then extrude it on the Z axis as shown here in our tutorial, just like this. Then I'm gonna be filling up this gap over here, so just hit it to extrude, then S to scale it in. So let's pivot around to see it better surrounding this shape over there. So Ctrl F to apply the grid fill like this. I want to use the grid fill because using some different shapes is gonna be creating some issues, and you can also play around with the spawn value and the offset in order to make your best on grid fill tool. Go over bottom vertices, then scale, then try to select them like this. So let's grab it on the Z axis just a tiny bit to make it a little shorter, because it's so long. Then I'm going to create the shape over here. So I'm gonna be extruding this part over here. Hit 3 on the numpad. For the side view, just select like this, because I'm going to select just vertices of this section, the section facing us like this. I don't select the other face, because this is just I selected the half way of that shape that I'm gonna be extruding. So hit E then Z to extrude it like this. I think it's good enough. Hit 1 for the front view. So I want to extrude this part and create the shape like this. Can use in annotate tool. I want to create shape like this, as shown here. Just in order to make the accurate topology and the accurate shape with no mistakes, symmetrical of this part over here. So just select these two vertices, add these two corners over here. So I want to extrude on the Y axis, on X axis, just like this. Move it closer to this part over there, and make sure that this part is doesn't going to be overlapping, but I think we have no issues over here. Because we need to select 4 vertices in order to make a symmetrical shape over here. I'm gonna be selecting these 4 vertices like this. Hit 1 for the front view. So extrude on the X axis, just like this. let's see what we have. Because we need to make this symmetrical shape, just I'm gonna be creating a hole, cutting through these two meshes, this through two parts. So in order to make this shape going and going around at this corners like as shown here in our tutorial, just I want to make a bevel at this four corners over here. Shift Control B and drag the mouse wheel like this. I'm gonna be making the bevel. I think it's good enough. Hit 1 for the front view. I think it's not bad. So let's add some supporting edge loops. Control R. So let's zoom in. Control R. Let's add the supporting edge loop at this corner, much closer to this edge loop. Control R. So let's add some supporting edge loops. Control Z. I have some mistakes. So let's zoom in and add another one over here and over here. Control Z. Let's add the two other edge loops. So just slide it to this part, to this corner. Control R. Let's add another. I think we should add just two cuts in order to match them over here and match this vertices to this vertices. G to join. Let's do it for this edge over here and connect them using the G key on the keyboard. And that's it for the first part. See you in the second part. Thanks for watching.